Can you imagine a world where artificial intelligence, or AI, takes the lead in the courtroom? A world where algorithms, instead of attorneys, argue cases and deliver verdicts? While this might sound like a science fiction plot, the reality is that AI is already making significant strides in the legal profession. Consider the case of document review. Today, AI-driven machine learning algorithms are being used to analyze large volumes of legal documents. This not only speeds up the process, but also reduces the likelihood of human error. AI systems are even stepping in to assist with contract drafting, suggesting language based on historical data and legal precedents. Legal research, a task that traditionally consumed enormous amounts of a lawyer's time, is another area where AI is proving to be a game changer. Advanced algorithms can sift through vast legal databases to find relevant cases, statutes, and precedents, equipping lawyers with the tools they need to build stronger arguments. AI doesn't stop there. It's also enhancing due diligence procedures. By automating the review of contracts and legal documents, AI can identify potential risks and compliance issues more efficiently than traditional methods. This not only saves time, but also improves accuracy. Yet, as impressive as these advancements are, the question of whether AI can fully replace lawyers is still a complex one. The legal profession is not just about data and documents. It involves human skills such as empathy, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking. These are areas where AI, despite its many achievements, still falls short. There are also ethical considerations to consider. The legal profession requires ethical decision-making, and the use of AI raises concerns about accountability and transparency. As the legal process relies heavily on maintaining its integrity, ensuring that AI systems adhere to legal and ethical standards is paramount. Then there's the matter of the courtroom itself. The dynamics of a courtroom heavily depend on human interactions. Advocacy, negotiation, and the ability to present a compelling case involve a level of creativity and intuition that AI currently struggles to replicate. Despite these challenges, it's clear that AI can be a valuable tool for legal professionals, not as a replacement, but as an enhancement. By taking over routine tasks, AI frees up lawyers to focus on higher-order strategic thinking and client interactions. This symbiosis between AI and lawyers may lead to a more efficient and effective legal practice. Remember, the impact of AI on the legal profession is an ongoing process. As AI technologies advance, legal professionals must adapt and embrace these tools to stay competitive. To sum up, while AI has the potential to transform various aspects of the legal profession, it's unlikely to replace lawyers entirely. The complex nature of legal work requires human skills that AI currently cannot fully replicate. The future of the legal profession likely lies in a collaborative integration of AI tools with human expertise, creating a synergy that enhances overall effectiveness and quality of legal services.